pinagmamalaki ng Rockwell is the power plant mall, right? And yun nga, you will bring the Makati ba yun?
Yes, that's the one in Makati,
Makati.
Rockwell Center.
Rockwell Center, it will be here in Pampanga. So ano ba yung sa power plant mall na yun?
We're targeting to bring brands from Rockwell in Makati. So, for example, what we have there are Rolex, Furla, and then Zara. So, we want that brand to be brought here in Pampanga kasi wala tayong masyadong high-end brands dito eh. So, we're really excited for that.
So meaning, hindi mo na kailangan lumuwas ng Manila para lang pumunta sa mga very prestigious brands, di ba, that we have there. Sigurado excited na yung mga residents natin dito, sa mga Kapampangans, and even actually foreigners. Which, kasi we all know that Angeles have a very big numbers when it comes to foreigners.
Yes, correct.